What's up guys, this is Average J and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to analyze one of the trades I've done during the day. The trade went against me initially, but they turned around and I was able to lock some profit in. So I was thinking that this might help some of you who's trying to be a day trader and hope you enjoy. Let's get into the trade. Okay, the trade that I was in was under QuantumScape, ticker mark QS. It's at the bottom of the screen. As you can see, there's resistance points around $70. So I was thinking I would get into the trade once the $70 mark is broke. You can see on the left hand side at the bottom that I've sold some positions on the high of the day. That's just my swing position that I held through the night, and I sold the shares to lock in some profits. So ignore that and let's get into the trade. The stop order that I set at $70.10 triggered in, but then it went against me. It started to flush down. As you can see, it's keep falling down. At this point, I'm thinking in my brain that where should I reload the shares to average down my average price, and where should I exit the trade to have a cut loss. So because I made some profits during the day with other stocks, such as a CleanSpark Energy at the top. I bought in the pre-market and sold it to one of the, not day high, but around $36 mark. So this isn't the only trade I have done. And I don't want to lose a profit that I made beforehand. So right now I drew a diagonal support line. So right now I'm thinking that I will reload some shares around $68, which is at $68, but I'll probably reload at $68 and maybe 20 cents, 19 cents or like 21 cents. And during that time I'm debating where to get out, which was around maybe $67 or maybe $66. So right now I'm just looking at some different trades I'm in, which includes the open door. Trade's just consolidating, going sideways. I'll probably skip some clips here. The trade starts to go up, but I needed to break around $70. At this point I'm thinking maybe I should have reloaded the shares around $69. It just broke the $70 mark. So my limit order to sell the shares is at $70.49, just before 50 cents. But then it turned triggering to sell the shares. Sometimes this happens when the market moves too fast and I'm not in the first line to sell the shares. But then the chart and the volume look pretty strong, so I decided to just hold on to the shares. So I sold the shares at $70.65. It crept all the way up. But I don't regret because I already locked in the profit. This clip, I skipped some because they were too long. What it was that it went all the way up to $72, failed, and then started to creep down. At this point, I'm thinking to short the stock. And my stop order to short the stock is at $69.95 because I wanted to break $70 mark for sure. Because I wouldn't want any fake breakouts. And they broke. Flushed all the way down, and then my stop order triggered, and then was able to lock in profit at $69.35. And after that I took more trades, but my recorder stopped, so I had to take a screenshot to show you guys. So I covered more shares at $69.26, which is before $60.25. Usually that's usually like mental barrier line where people tend to buy into the shares to raise the price up. So I don't want that, so I took a profit right before that. And then I re-shorted it back in just to see if it holds around $70. And it did, and it flushed right before $70. And I put more stop order to short more at break of $69. So always I put my stop order after the break point that I want, which means that my stop order is at $68.95. And it triggered and I execute the trade with a high profit at $68.35. Alright guys, that is it for the video. When you're having day trading, always have your exit plan and where to reload when the trade go against you. Hope this helps and entertains you guys. And see you next time. Bye bye.